they? Right.
No, I've got to just keep them.
Oh, right. Yes, because they're original. Right. Yeah.
If you'd like to make your way down the side through the engine bay into the exit.
Sorry. God, it's like a funhouse in here.
What are the seats?
No seats here, it's just engines. It's just a power unit, is it?
No, I want to go with it. I don't want to go.
Just keep going. We're halfway through now.
Yeah,
If it gets warm in here when it's running.
So we're going to go back sometime.
Sorry?
Is it going to go back to NRM sometime?
Yeah, we've got it.
Definitely.
We've got it until the end of this season,
Right.
and then on a monthly base, month by month basis.
I see. Right.
Yeah.
I was just hearing your commentary. I was just hearing your commentary,
All
that's
right.
all.
Yeah.
So it's here till the end of the season.
To the end of the season, and as I understand it, it's on a month by month basis.
Yeah.
Because they might want it back, you see, to put in a museum.
Yes.
You know, whereas here people can see it and get on board. Come on, darling.
Can it still operate this? Or?
No, it's not. It's not a runner. Right. Just a minute, children.
Just a minute, just let me come
Just a
first.
minute.
Oh, sorry.
Wait a minute, just let me get out and then
The seats, as you can see, are the original 1955 leather.
Okay, if you stand here, you can turn back to
They're
me.
quite warm, yeah, that's why they won't allow people to sit on them.
Hiya!